Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus to your Android smartphone. Okay, so to do this we have to simply charge our earbuds. That's the USB-C cable for it. Next we have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds from the case. Right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our phone, so we can do this by using this notification panel. Select to pair new device. And right now just select Galaxy Buds Plus from the list. Accept pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. In the next step, we have to open the Play Store. Click on the search pool and type Samsung Galaxy Plus. I mean Galaxy Buds. Okay, let's get this Galaxy application, the first one. That's a little bit different from the iPhone, because on the iPhone, on the App Store, we can find the Samsung Galaxy Buds application. Let's try if this one is working properly. So click Start, accept all of this permission that will pop on your screen. Here we have a Galaxy Buds Plus, so select them from the list. We have to install Galaxy Buds Plus Manager. So let's do this right now. As you can see, we are automatically moved from this application to the Play Store. Okay, let's go back to the Galaxy wearable application. Click Continue in the right bottom corner. Accept another permissions. Let's select all permissions that you have on your screen. Looks like we are all set, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's how it looks. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.